Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. We got a mess. Been doing lots of stuff this weekend. Quick update on the Super Hawk. We're too electrical, so got the battery filled today. Got that thing charging. Ready to rock and roll on that. And we've made some progress. Got that gauge redone. Looks beautiful. And got pretty much, I think, all of the wiring laid in. Might make a video once I kind of solidified everything about how it all goes, but it's all there. And what I could kind of hook up, or what was pretty clear, I went ahead and hooked that up. But gosh darn, didn't that gauge come out nice? Came out really, really good. That was tedious. We got a little mini basket of nightmares to go there. And we're still rocking and rolling. Got the kickstand kind of in place. It actually uses one of the engine bolts, so got that tacked in place for now. Got that rear brake stay installed, so we're ready to deal with the rear brakes. Isn't this thing looking pretty? It's looking pretty. I'm pretty pleased. And over here, we're just working through the little bits. This is quite a puzzle, man. I'm working my way through it. I'll probably make a video about install of the rear brake pedal, because it's pretty different. And tonight, I think my goal is just to use the rub and buff on those carburetors. I want to make a video about that as well. So just moving through and just prepping again, getting ready for the motor. And then we're getting ready to reupholster the seat. But yeah, we're getting to engine phase at this point on the build. Everything's in the box. Everything's ready to go. Just a lot of cleanup. Lots of things to do. Made a hell of a mess in the Keep On Wrenching garage today. Just got into a little bit of everything. If I got kind of annoyed with something, I moved on. Details are really, really good here. Got brand new cushions here. Was missing a bunch of this stuff. Coils are in place. Everything's good. And we're just kind of getting ready here. I need to put the front brake stay, get that permanently attached next. So just a lot of little stuff on this bike. Let's mock it up. And there's where we're sitting. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful bike. Just one piece at a time, literally. But it's kind of cool to have the ignition in place. It's all there. That's fun. And the wiring's getting laid in. I just got to get that all right where it needs to be. It's looking really clean. It's looking really, really clean, man. I'm excited. That tank came out beautiful. And just like this whole riding position, just like this, I'm digging it. I think it's going to be pretty fantastic. So couple how-to videos on the way. I was going to make some videos about this gauge, but I was pretty stressed out while I was doing that. I didn't want to break the glass. I didn't want to break the needles. Didn't want to do any damage. So just kind of work through this front wheel a little bit. I am excited, though, to have that side stand in place, ready to go. Gives me some versatility. I can move it around. Got the horn installed. Got that all polished up. I just didn't decide to paint that. I just polished it, waxed it, get it all in good shape. And then there's that tank, man. Pretty fun. It's coming out pretty good. It's starting to move a little quick. And I'm really in research phase, just trying to make sure I don't muck up the motor. I've never worked on really a 305 motor before, so we'll be getting to all of that. For now, though, it's time to clean up, because I made a hell of a mess today. I hope you had happy trails and success in everything that you're doing. Battery's charging, almost done. Then we'll be rocking and rolling, moving to the next phases on the Super Hawk. Hope you enjoyed the quick little update. Look for more videos on the way. If you are interested, be sure to subscribe. Also, hit up the Facebook community group over on Facebook, the Keep On Wrenching community group. And last but not least, get yourself one of these really cool Keep On Wrenching stickers, man. It's a little Easter egg on the Super Hawk. Once I put that other cover on, head on over to keeponwrenching.com, request your free sticker. Be getting those in the mail probably tomorrow, so don't wait. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next video. or live stream. Yummy.